हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, आज आम एमएस वर्ड एमसीक्यू सीरीज जो स्टार्ट करते आज तार फाइनाल पार्ट किंबा पार्ट 2 देखा। ठीक अच्छे फ्रेंड, या पूर्व मु पार्ट 1 करी जहाँ जो आम बहुत इंपोर्टाट प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन देखीचु और आज एमएस वर्ड एमसीक्यू को पूरा फिनिश करदे। ठीक अच्छे फ्रेंड, एबे आसतु आज वीडियो को बिना कौन टाइम को वेस्ट न करके स्टार्ट करवा। आज प्रथम क्वेश्चन देखिए कौन देखिए, हाउ मेनी डिफरेंट पोजिशंस कैन यू सेट फॉर ड्रॉप कैप? आंसर इज 2। नेक्स्ट, हाउ मेनी वेज यू कैन सेव ए डॉक्यूमेंट? आंसर इज 3। नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ लाइन you can set for lines to drop box? Answer is 10. Next, single spacing in MS Word document causes how many point line spacing? Answer is 12 point line spacing. Next, what is the default number of line to drop for drop cap? Answer is 3 number of line. Next, what is the maximum number of line you can set for a drop cap? Answer is 10. Next, how many column can you insert in a Word document in maximum? Answer is 45 column. Next, in a document, what is the maximum number of column that can be inserted in MS Word table? Answer is 63. Next, what is the maximum scale percentage available in scale drop down box? Answer is 200. Next, what is the maximum font size you can apply for any character? Answer is 1638. Next, Word by default places a tab stop at every how many mark on the ruler? In every point 5 mark on the ruler. Next, with Word's autocorrect entries to display an indifferent face type? Answer is C. Next, which of the following button will allow you to add, delete or change records in your data source? Answer is edit data source button. Next, how much space in minimum must be provided between column? Answer is 0. Next, by default your document prints with 1.25 inches left and right margins. Next, Word is preset to use standard 8.5 by 11 inch paper with which margin? Answer is with 1.25 inch left and right margin and 1 inch top and bottom. Very important question. Next, what is the default left margin in Word 2003 document? Answer is 1.25. Next, what is the smallest and largest font size available in font size tool on formatting toolbar? Answer is 8 and 72. Smallest is 8 and largest font size is 72. Next, the footnote text style defines characters as 10 point times New Roman and paragraphs as single spaced and left aligned. Next, what is the default font size of a new Word document based on normal template in Word 2003? 12 point. Next, the minimum number of rows and columns in MS Word document is 1 and 1. Next, how will MS Word will respond in repeated word? Answer is a red wavy line under the repeated word. Next, pressing F8 key for 3 times. Select. Answer is a sentence. Next, what do you call a collection of character and a paragraph formatting command? Answer is a style. Next, wow, what is in the resume wizard dialog box indicate the wizard is ready to create the document? Answer is finish panel. Next, what does control plus equal key effect? Subscript. The spike is. Answer is allows you to combine text from several documents and then insert all the text into one document at on with time. Next, the word wrap creatures. Answer is automatically move text to the next line when necessary. Next, how can you make the selected character superscripted? Answer is Control plus Shift plus equal. Next, when typing in a word field manually, what must you press to insert the code braces? Answer is Control plus F9. Next, what is the shortcut key to open the open dialog box? Answer is Control plus F12. Next, what is the shortcut keys to split a table? Answer is Control plus Shift plus Enter. Next, which key is used to increase left indent? Answer is Control plus M. Next, how many different documents you can open at one time? Answer is as many as your computer memory will hold. Next, which of the following is the second step in creating a macro? Answer is give the macro a name. Next, when assigning a shortcut key to a symbol, you should always try to select a key or key combination that is unassigned. Next, which of the following command is not available in Tools menu? Answer is Auto Text. Next, which option is not available in Insert Table Auto Fit Behavior? Answer is Auto Fit to Column. Next, when you click on File menu in Word 2010, it opens Backstage View. Next, a master document contains what? Each of which contain a pointer to a file on a disk. Answer is sub documents. Next, a feature of MS Word that saves the document automatically after certain interval is available on. Answer Save tab on option dialog box. Next, after typing header text, how can you quickly enter footer text? Answer is both of A and B. Uh, Next, to move the cursor page to page of document. Answer is gonna both of above. Control plus page down and control plus page up. You can jump to the next column by clicking with your mouse on the next column and press Alt plus down arrow. Both A and B are correct. Next, which of the following enables you to paste data multiple times? Answer is both Windows and Office clipboard. Next, you need to jump to the next column, breaking current column right at the cursor position. How can you break column? Answer is break command from insert menu. Next, in Word, you can force a page break by positioning your cursor at the appropriate place and pressing Ctrl plus Enter. Next, how to use Format Painter multiple times. Answer, by double click on the Format Painter icon. Next, what is the default font used in MS Word 2007 document? Answer is Calibri. Next, what is a dot or other symbol positioned at the beginning of a paragraph? Answer is bullet. Next, which of the following is not a type of page margin? Answer is center. Next, Ctrl plus E refers to align center. Next, how do you close a Word document without closing Word window? Answer is click on the close command on Office menu. Next, to switch between insert mode and overtype mode, click double click the OBR status indicator on the status bar. Next, you cannot close MS Word application by from the file menu, choose close sub menu. Next, which of the following option is not available in insert and picture? Answer is graph. Next, Ctrl plus O used for open document. Next, which feature do you use to create a newspaper like document? Answer is columns. Next, what contains button, boxes and menus that allow tasks to be performed more quickly than using the menu bar? Answer is toolbar. Next, which of the following is not available in font spacing? Answer is loosely. Next, to convert a hyperlink email address to regular text, right click the email address and then click on the shortcut menu and then click remove hyperlink on the shortcut menu. Next, each time what key is pressed, the paragraph formatting in the previous paragraph is carried forward to the next paragraph. Enter key is pressed. Next, what is the shortcut key you can press to create a copyright symbol? Answer is Alt plus Control plus C. Next, what is the shortcut key for spelling check in document? Answer is F7. What is the shortcut key to update formula in a table? Answer is F9. Next, what is the shortcut key for font dialog box? Answer is Ctrl plus D. Next, what is the shortcut key for find and replace dialog box? Answer is Ctrl plus H. Next, what is the shortcut key to insert hyperlink in a document? Answer is Ctrl plus K. Next, how can you access the font size tool on formatting toolbar? Answer is Control plus Shift plus P. Next, what is the shortcut key for subscript the selected text? Answer is Control plus equal. Next, background color on a document is not visible in. Answer is Print Preview. Next, gutter position can be set in following positions. Answer is left and top. Next, which of the following is not available on the ruler of MS Word screen? Answer is center indent. Next, what is the shortcut key for line break? Answer is Shift plus Enter. Next, MS Word automatically moves the text to the next line when it reaches the right edge on the screen. Is called word wrap. Next, typeface option will come under which menu? Answer is Format menu. Next, what is a portion of a document in which you can set certain page formatting option? Answer is section. A character that is raised and smaller above the baseline is known as superscript. In MS Word, for what does ruler help? To change page margin and to set tabs and also to set indent. So right answer is option number D, all of the above. Next, the ability to combine name and address with a standard document is called mail merge. Control plus G is used to open, find and replace dialog box with activating go to tab. Shortcut Control plus H is used to open, find and replace dialog box with activating replace tab. Next, shortcut Control plus T is used to hanging indent. Next, when sharing data in Office, which document is the document in which the data was first entered? Answer is destination document. Which feature helps you to insert the content of clipboard as text without any formatting? Answer is paste special. Next, where can you change the vertical alignment? Answer is page setup dialog box. Next, what is a collection of predefined design element and color schemes? Answer is theme. Next, change the what to create a document in wide format. Answer is change the page orientation. Next, how can you disable extended selection mode? Press ESC to disable. Control plus Q is used to remove paragraph formatting. How can you remove tab stop makers from ruler? Answer is drag the tab stop maker out of the ruler. Which can be used for quick access to commonly used command and tool? Answer is toolbar. Next, page of key uses for moves the cursor one screen up. Next, what is the maximum scale percentage available in scale drop down box? Answer is 200. Next, what is preset to use standard 8.5 by 11 inch paper with 1.25 is left and right margin and 1 is top and bottom. Next, the footnote text style defines character as এটা शायद ଆମେ କରିଦେଇଛୁ option number D. Next, what do you call a collection of character and a paragraph formatting command? Answer is style. Next, what is a document outline view? Answer is a view with a structure of heading at various levels. Next, what in the resume wizard dialog box indicate the wizard is ready to create the document? Answer is finish panel. Next, the word wrap features automatically move text to the next line when necessary. Next, when typing in a word field manually, what must you press to insert code braces? Answer is Ctrl plus F9. Next, which key is used to increase left indent? Answer is Ctrl plus M. Next, which option is not available in insert table autofit behavior? Answer is autofit to column. Next, when you click on File menu in Word 2010, it opens Backstage view. Next, a master document contains what? Each of which contain a pointer to a file on a disk. Answer is sub documents. Next, what is the default font used in MS Word 2007 document? Answer is Calibri. Next, Ctrl plus E used for align center. Next, how do you close a Word document without closing Word window? Click on the close command on Office menu. Next, to switch between insert mode and overtype mode, double click the OBR status indicator on the status bar. Next, how to remove all character format? Answer is Ctrl plus spacebar. Next, what is the shortcut key for superscript the selected text? Answer is Ctrl plus Shift plus equal. Next, what is the shortcut key to update formula in a table? Answer is F9. Next, to increase a paragraph indent, use the which shortcut key? Answer is Ctrl plus M. Next, which is not a data source component? Answer is mail merge toolbar. Next, in Word, the mailing list is known as the data source. Next, Ctrl plus Y is used to repeat the last action. Next, Ctrl plus backspace is used to delete the word just before the cursor. Next, where can you find the Draw Table tool button? Answer is Table and Formatting toolbar. Next, which toolbar has a crop button? Answer is Picture toolbar. Next, which language does MS Word use to create macros? Answer is Visual Basic Language. Next, Word stores all frames associated with a web page in a single file called the frame page. Next, which indent marker controls all the lines except first line? Answer is hanging indent marker. Next, when you save a file as a web page, Word converts the content of the document into HTML. Next, footnotes, endnotes, and index are all inserted as word fields. Next, Ctrl plus L is used to left align. Next, the shortcut key Ctrl plus I is used to apply the italic format to selected text. Next, Ctrl plus K is used for insert hyperlink. Next, what does ext indicator on status bar of MS Word indicates? Answer is it indicates whether extended selection mode is turned on or off. Next, what happens if you press Ctrl plus Shift plus F8? Answer is it activates the rectangular selection. Next, what is the use of all caps feature in MS Word? Answer is it changes all selected text into capital letter. Next, home key. Next, gonna move the cursor beginning on the line. Next, Ctrl plus right arrow is used to move the cursor one word right. Next, how to find end key. Now move the cursor end of the line. Next, Ctrl plus page down is used to move the cursor one page down. Next, Ctrl plus down arrow is used to move the cursor one paragraph down. Next, page up key is used to move the cursor one screen up. Next, Ctrl plus left arrow is used to move the cursor one word left. Next, page down key is used to moves the cursor one screen down. Next, Ctrl plus page up is used to moves the cursor one page up. Ctrl plus up arrow is used to moves the cursor one paragraph up. Ctrl plus home is used to move the cursor to the beginning of document. Next, Ctrl plus end is used to moves the cursor to the end of a document. Which file starts MS Word? Answer, winword.exe. Next, Ctrl plus G is used to open find and replace dialog box with activating go to tab. Next, Ctrl plus F is used to open find and replace dialog button with activating find tab. Next, Ctrl plus H is used to open find and replace dialog box with activating replace tab. Next, Ctrl plus P is used to open print dialog box. Next, Ctrl plus T is used to hanging indent. Ctrl plus Q is used to paragraph formatting. Ctrl plus R is used to right align the selected paragraph. Ctrl plus M is used to left indent. Ctrl plus W is used to save and close document. Ctrl plus J is used to align justify. What is the shortcut key for manual line break? Shift plus enter. What is the shortcut key to display field codes? Alt plus F9. What is the use of bookmark in Microsoft Word? To quickly jump to a specific location in the document. तो फ्रेंड्स आज भिडियोटी को आपको किपर लगिला आशा करे आपन को यही एम एस वार्डर सीरीज बहुत भल लगी जदि आपन चाहते या परे मु एम एस एक्सेल भी सीरीज आने तेरे भिडियोटी को लाइक शेयर और कमेंट निश्चित करूँ। ठीक अच्छे फ्रेंड एवं रही धन्यवाद।